Courtney.
Help us. We need help. River Gardens need help. We're underwater.
A high water sign was posted as the Pearl River began creeping up, but the hundreds of people who call this area home say this is nothing new.
6 months out of the year, our property is filled with water. Putting high water signs up is not your best.
One resident who wished to remain anonymous says he's lived in River Gardens for 3 years, and while the street is always the first to go under, so is his front and backyard.
They can't get emergency vehicles to their house to help them out, to get somebody out if they have a heart attack or kids hurt or whatever. They won't go with the high water. So it's a big problem.
The Pearl River is expected to crest by September 6th, but just one day before that's set to happen, one resident's backyard is already flooded.
It's discouraging because someone with the parish, the Corps, whoever, needs to be accountable.
Moving forward, people say they want to see this issue fixed and expect more from elected leaders. Reporting in Slidell, Courtney Williams, WDSU News.